Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very nice easy Bengali look. As I've already applied sunscreen, moisturizer, primer on my face, I'm doing my eyebrows right now. With the help of a brush, I'm just trying to remove all the extra color from the sides of my brow. I'm just applying a plain lip balm on my lips just as a base. I'm applying a little bit of foundation on my eyelids just below the crease line so that when I apply the eyeshadow, it looks better and it looks bright. I've taken a deep purple eyeshadow and with a brush I'm putting it on my crease line as I have a bit of a hooded eye. Make sure that you blend it very well with your fingers after applying the color on your crease line. As you can see, I have not applied the eyeshadow on the area just below the eyebrow. Now I am taking a pink color from a nude palette, pink colored eyeshadow, and I am applying it on my eyelids very lightly. Now I am taking a glittery copper shade with my brush and applying it on the tip of my eyelids, that is only the middle section. Now I'm taking a dark maroon color, kind of maroon color, and applying it on the corner of my eye and extending it little towards the middle. Now I am taking a golden glittery shade from the same nude palette and applying it like a liner on my eyelids. Now I have taken a smudge brush and with that I am taking the same maroon color from the nude palette and applying it on my lower line of my eye, as you can see. Now I have taken a pencil kajal and I'm trying to make a line, draw a line on the inner side of my eye. See how I'm doing it? I'll do the same thing in both the eyes. It might go out a little, but there is no worry about that, nothing to worry, as I'm going to blend it and smudge it later. I'm trying to extend the kajal line a little out on the outer side of the eye and extending it a bit so that my eyes look bigger. Now I'm putting kajal on my lower line. But I don't put till my inner corner, I put half because my eyes are not very big. Now I'm taking the same smudge brush and using the same color, I'm trying to smudge out the lines, the lower line as well as the upper line. And now the most important thing in any eye makeup, the mascara. With the mascara, the eyes will look the best. I'm sorry for making these funny faces whenever I'm applying eye makeup because that's how I do it. And although it looks very funny, but I don't know how to do it otherwise. So it just happens. And now comes the round red bindi, without which no Bengali look or no Bengali woman can be complete. With the help of a brush, I am applying blusher on my cheekbones. And with the same brush and whatever little color left in that, I am applying it on my nose. You can always rub off the extra color with your fingers if you think so. Either something is more or something is not looking good. Now I will take some loose powder and with the help of a brush, I'll just dust off the extra color from my nose, from my lower cheeks and the area below my eyes, just above my cheekbones. As my eyes and the other part of my face, the makeup is little on the higher side, I'm using a very natural nude tone lipstick which is from Color Essence, and I'm applying it without lining my lips. I didn't feel like lining. I thought lining will just harden up the lips, the look of the lips, so I just wanted to keep it soft. Now with a little highlighter, I'm highlighting my brow bone, and a little I'll add with my finger on my cheeks to highlight them just a bit, the inner corner of my eye till where the kajal is beginning. And now I'm putting eyelash, which is a very rare thing, but today I felt like putting false lashes to make the look complete. Now my look is complete, and I think this look will look very good if you are going to any function, be it pujas, be it any morning function. This look will always be a hit. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it, and if you have liked it, please support me and be with me so that I can show you many more types of makeups. Thank you so much. Have a great day.